What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30. Check out all the links in the description. Thousands of dollars of free crypto down there, along with signals, COINCALLS, TA, alpha, and memes in our private Discord. Accessed by signing up to the Patreon. You can also sign up to our brand new Udemy course for serious investors, where we've just released our Basics of Technical Analysis course. Make sure to watch till the end for short and long-term price predictions. That's where the good stuff is. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So we're just taking a look at Bitcoin here, and as we can see, we are looking for, as we said before, potentially over the last few days, we are seeing a little bit of a breakout of this RSI downtrend that we have been in for a good while now. You can see quite clearly here, resistance, 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 all the way down on the RSI, pushing us all the way down to crazy oversold levels, as bad as the March 2020 Black Swan event crash, when not really that much has happened in the market. Obviously, the stock market's been dragging Bitcoin to the downside as well, which we can't overlook because it's pretty clear that, you know, the stock market, as much as everyone wants to say Bitcoin is a hedge against, you know, typical standard markets, inflation, etc., Bitcoin in the short term at the very least is highly correlated to the stock market. And we can see here, you know, with the stock market selling off over the past few months, Bitcoin has been rolling over as well. You can see we've been heading down in this descending channel like this. And we're currently looking to come back up and retest that resistance yet again of the top of the channel. You can see we come up here, we made those bearish divergences at the top. We got resistance, resistance, capitulation, resistance, resistance, capitulation for all the time here, falling through our levels. We come down to that 0.23 here on the Fibonacci, where we do get a nice pickup off the low along with the bottom of the channel there. So we have had a, you know, a little bit of a renaissance for Bitcoin over the past, what is it, few weeks here, where we've been in a bit of a range, but we're slowly picking our way up to the upside, back up to that resistance, as we said, where we do want to be, you know, coming up and testing. And you can see here on the RSI now, quite clear that we may be getting that final breakout, that breakout that we've been looking for, you know, Bitcoin on the daily time frame here. You can see we've basically come up, broke out of the RSI downtrend, got a little bit of a pickup off the lows here, coming back up to retest the top of the range. And if we could see ourselves coming back up to, you know, fair value, maybe even a bit overbought, we could easily see Bitcoin finally break the channel, back test, you know, that 0.38 there. That would be amazing to see something like this, and then start heading back up to the upside like that. Because, you know, recently Bitcoin's been underperforming. It's been smashed down by the market. A lot of fear and uncertainty in the world, lots of, you know, macroeconomic uncertainty, inflation uncertainty, etc. Interest rates potentially getting hiked up. That has been leading to Bitcoin selling off, but you can see obviously what's happened here. Top of the range, bottom of the range. We could get the overextension. We come back up to the top of the range, retest this level here, which was this smaller range high. And now we're coming back up, looking like we have retested the top of the range now. Waiting to see if we'll, you know, come up and retest this resistance at around that 39.5k level. We want to see this getting broke. I mean, if we can get through this resistance and back test it and start heading up like this, then we could be potentially out of the downtrend in the short term. So overall, Bitcoin looking like there could be light at the end of the tunnel today, potentially gearing up for a breakout. And we're feeling fairly optimistic. So before we do short-term price predictions, as always, guys, please make sure to go in the Discord and join, in the description, and join our free Discord. It's totally free, as we said. It takes like 10 seconds and you'll get access to an absolute ton of content. We're updating it every single day. There's tons of channels in there, daily technical analysis, news, updates on the market, altcoin gems, all kinds of good stuff, passive income community, NFT community, all kinds of alpha being posted in there by loads of really dedicated members. Absolutely love the community in there, over 1,000 people. So go sign up. It's totally free. And if you do want to get an edge on the market, as we said, you could sign up to our Patreon to support the channel. You'll get daily signals for Bitcoin, alpha on potential 100,000x projects, maxi moves where we talk about some of our own personal moves in the market. So if you do want to get involved in all of that content, sign up to the Patreon. It's in the description as well, and become a crypto maximalist today. So with that being said, short-term price predictions, if we're rolling over, probably heading back down towards the swing low here at 36.7k, maybe as far as that 36k level. And if we know we do have a big rollover back down to the 023, potentially for that double bottom back test like that. But obviously, as we said, we do want to see ourselves getting up to that 39.5k level, breaking this back testing it and starting to get up through our levels again, because we've been under the cosh for too long, haven't we? So, and as we've said a bunch of times, longer term, we do think Bitcoin, it does have the potential to hit 100k this year if the market plays ball. In our opinion, you can see here, this and this looking very similar, this and this looking fairly similar as well. And we do think sooner or later we're probably going to come up towards some of these nice extensions. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos we post every single day. Make sure to join the Patreon or YouTube membership to support us, as well as getting a ton of benefits. Crypto Maximalists will get access to daily signals, coin calls, alpha on new projects, 10x potential cryptos, and insight into our own personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes you beyond, giving you a look at our personal portfolio, super low cap gems, 100x potential portfolio, and constant access to us personally as a resource. We're constantly in the Discord posting daily and chatting with members, and we'll be hosting giveaways soon, so come and join a community rich with value and content. If you're serious about your education, you can also sign up to our newly launched Udemy course, which comes as standard with the Basics of Technical Analysis 10-part course, which details an overview of everything we do on this channel regarding chart theory, with examples and demonstrations. We'll also be adding multiple times per week to 2 other courses on our Udemy, which will be the Market Psychology and Strategies and Crypto Deep Dives and Ratings courses. These will be continuously updated into the future to provide value to the most dedicated in the community to knowledge and learning. We're getting continuous questions regarding technical analysis, particular cryptocurrencies, and for advice in certain market conditions, and you'll find the answers to these questions in the Udemy ongoing into the future. This community will be full of the highest quality individuals, and is going to be an extremely valuable place to be in our opinion. If you want to sign up, the link is in the description. Remember, you can also join the public section of the Discord too, where we post news, technical analysis, updates on the markets, larger cap gems, and the occasional meme. There's absolutely no reason not to get involved with all that value. Links are in the description for everything we've mentioned here. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.